still running stock sound and you need a tailgate upgrade? Don't worry, I got you. Bronco Solutions by DS18. With this clamp right here, you can mount any of the DS18 tower speakers right into your roll cage. And the install is super easy, but in this case, I'm gonna have Kenny over here help me out. Everything you need is in this box. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna find the right spot where you're gonna attach your clamp to. You loosen it up, you attach it together, and then you start running the wires so you can put your tower speaker the way you want to. You can put them up, you can put them down. The clamp is adjustable to the whole Bronco roll cage. It's that simple. All right guys, the clamps are mounted, the speakers are mounted. As you guys can see, it looks amazing. But a lot of you wonder, how loud are two tower speakers? Well, check this out. We've turned off completely the sound bar. So what you're gonna hear is actually real audio coming out from the two tower speakers. And we're gonna do a distance test.
A single teardrop falling from your eyes. I don't
Bronco solution, no more boring tailgating. The clamp was easy to install. It looks good. The pod sounds amazing. What more can you ask for? Make sure you guys check it out. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.